Apple is quietly testing the biggest iPhone screen it has ever built, and it might land right on the 20th anniversary model. A major leak points to a 7-inch display on the iPhone 20 Pro Max. But before you get too excited, that 7-inch number is a bit of a trick. In this video, we are breaking down what the leak actually says, why the size increase is mostly an illusion, and the radical redesign changes that matter far more than the screen size. The leak comes from well-connected tipster digital chat station on Weibo, a source with a solid track record on Apple rumors. The prototype doesn't actually measure a full 7 inches. It measures 6.96 inches across. Apple will likely round it up for marketing. Compared to the current iPhone 17 Pro Max screen, 6.9 inches, a 6.96-inch panel is only about 0.06 inches larger, translating to roughly 2% more screen area. The prototype keeps the exact same shape and aspect ratio as current Pro Max models. Apple isn't making the phone taller or wider. It is shaving the black borders, bezels, even thinner. Apple has been working on a display that curves gently over all 4 sides, creating an almost borderless look from the front. Android flagships are already operating in the 6.7 to 6.9 inch range, with Xiaomi even pushing a 7-inch panel. So Apple is largely catching up here to match the competition. The screen size is grabbing headlines, but the rest of the feature list is where things get wild. Volume and power keys will feature 0 moving parts, using a tiny haptic motor to simulate clicks, the same tech as the MacBook trackpad. Reports indicate Apple has cleared rigorous stress tests involving gloves, wet hands, extreme temperatures, and phone cases, backed by a low-power backup chip that keeps buttons functional even when the phone is completely dead. Apple is expected to hide sensors and the front camera under the screen, finally eliminating the dynamic island. This will be powered by a tandem OLED panel, a dual-layer screen identical to the 2024 iPad Pro, that is brighter, more efficient, and capable of hiding hardware underneath. There is even talk of moving the sound under the display to remove the earpiece slot entirely. Rumors point to a tougher glass variant designed to resist keys and pocket drops, though it's wise to treat early durability claims with caution. Back in 2017, the iPhone X marked the 10th anniversary by dropping the home button, switching to OLED, and introducing Face ID, setting the blueprint for a decade. The iPhone 20 is aimed at the exact same kind of radical reset. By mid-2027, Apple could find itself selling 2 devices in the 7-inch range, a traditional slab phone and a folding iPhone with a 7.7-inch inner screen. To earn its place alongside a foldable, the standard slab phone has to be exceptionally futuristic. Nikkei Asia reported that TSMC, Apple's chip manufacturer, will raise prices by 5% to 10% starting in 2027, with Apple already raising prices across its lineup recently. Stacking a semiconductor price hike onto an ambitious anniversary phone means the math gets tense. Do not be shocked if the iPhone 20 Pro Max starts above $1,400. It is worth noting that many loyal buyers choose Pro Max models strictly for the battery life, often expressing a preference for a thicker phone with a massive battery rather than a thin, borderless giant. Apple's screen size push may not entirely align with what core fans request. Should you get excited yet? Stay calm for now. We are more than a year away from a 2027 launch, and Apple tests multiple prototypes before finalizing designs. The upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max this September will stick to a 6.9-inch screen. But if these leaks hold true, 2027 is shaping up to be the most interesting iPhone year since the iPhone X. If this breakdown helped you, hit like and subscribe so you never miss the next leak. See you in the next video.